Hi everybody, this is Belinda. Today I'd like to show you our heat transfer screen printing plant. We are specialized in customizing 3D heat transfer silicone logo, 3D heat transfer silicone label. See our heat transfer HD silicone logo quality. Super matte, soft hand feel. Bright color, soft hand feel, and streak lamp, very high quality. Soft hand feel and 3D HD high density. HD wrist screen printing, sports patches, pin patches, football, soccer ball, heat transfer silicone patches.